What's happening, YouTube? First video on the Yaris today. Now, I've had the car about a week and the inside is pretty disgusting. Let me show you what I mean. So we've got all this crud down here. Floor mats are manky. There's mud, dirt, bits of shite, pretty much everywhere. So what I'm going to be doing is giving the interior a good bloody clean, because it needs it. Just a disclaimer, I am no car cleaning expert. I don't know what's good, I don't know what's shit, but I have been out and got some auto glim. Interior shampoo cleans and freshens carpets, fabric, upholstery and plastics, which is exactly what we need. There's a lot of dirt on the seats, so that should do nicely. And I've also got some auto glim again, engine and machine cleaner, because it was reduced to £4, so I thought I'd have a do. So the seats are going to come out, I'm going to give it a good vac, give everything a good wipe down, and hopefully make it quite a nice place to be in here. I have given it a quick clean on the outside. I found a few defects, but overall it's not bad. We've got a little scratch here, we've got a little dent there, bit of door dinging there, a few scuffs on the back bumper. What else do we have? We've got this here, but that's just on a plastic vinyl cover thing. A couple of stone chips on the front, that's expected, but that is about it. So the first mission is going to be get these seats out and see what the damage is underneath them. You've got your 2 bolts at the front. What about get out of it. Got a bolt there. Does that do the same thing? Fucking plastic. Fucking. And a bolt there. We've also got a plug. I'm not sure why it's got a plug. Oh, it'll be the airbag, won't it? Yeah. Oh, plugs. Bloody hate them. That wasn't too bad. Haha! Quite heavy then. In all fairness, underneath it is not that bad, really. This is horrendous. It's quite comfy, this. Second side again, not horrendous. Suppose we better crack the vac out, eh? Oh, stop fucking about. Actually, instead of hoovering yet, I better start cleaning everything off, because there's a lot of shit in the centre console. So I don't want to hoover it, clean all that shit out, and then have to hoover it again. That'd be a nightmare. It's actually amazing what difference a quick wipe with a rag can actually do. All this crud's gone in here, all this crud's, well, most of it. All the crud from the gear gate has gone, cup holder's gone, in there, gone, in there, gone, in there, gone. Looking and smelling a lot better now. I've had a quick do on the floor mats. They're not too bad. I don't think that auto glim stuff's too good for him, so I'm probably going to use something different on the seats, because it didn't really do much to these. But I tried doing that cool kid line thing, look. See what I mean? Cool kid. And when I say try, I mean I just went up and down it. Ugh. Right, suppose I better actually get the Hoover out there. and give this floor a good do. Yep. Easy as that. I haven't even got halfway. Looking a lot better already though. The carpet's going to need a good shampooing. It's like quite discoloured and stained. So I'll do the best I can with it today when it's fucking charged. So while the Hoover's charging, Mother's just handed me this carpet stain remover. Ideal for home and car, so we're going to have a do with it on the seats. How does this contraption work? Do you squeeze? Do you just... Oh. Oh. It's doing something. Right, so it's that one done with this little brush, and it definitely has done the trick. Which, to be honest, is kind of annoying because that means I now have to do the other one. Oh. That's as good as the seats are going to get today. I'm quite happy with that, to be honest. A little brush works better than I thought it would. Time to get this Hoovering finished up. I'll tell you what, I do quite enjoy cleaning my cars, but I could not do it for a living. It's hard work, man. Hats off to anyone that does do it for a living, because you're a stronger man than I am. Should we just strip it and go full race car? We're halfway there. No. No, 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 no. No. Oof. Oh. One side done. Ugh. Hoovering, done. How are these seats doing? How dry are we seeing? Oh, not very. Gonna have to wait a while to get them back in. Leave them sat in sun, they'll be right. I'm happy with this though, this is looking good in here. Very happy. No! Hey. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. If anyone knows how to, or how difficult it'd be to fit Gen 7 Celica seats into my Yaris, let me know, because I think that'd be pretty cool. Romeo done. What a difference. Oh. It is a bit of graft, but it is definitely worth doing, especially when you just buy a car, you don't know what sort of shite you're going to find. Although I did find we've got the owner's manual. Could be a good read one day. Yeah, stuck in traffic and that. Oh, I believe we've found an old MOT cert. This could be interesting. Both rear coil springs slightly corroded. Brake pads wearing thin rear. Exhaust has minor leak of exhaust gases rear. And then this expired on the 10th of April 2020. So I was aware when I bought the car that it did have the extension, MOT extension, because of COVID. So I think after seeing that, I think the best bet would be to get it up to Tony's, get it on the ramp and have a good look underneath, see what the crack is. What's this? Toyota vehicle security system. Oh. Alarm LED, optional. Oh, we've got one of them. We've got all the bloody options on this whip. What else we got? Ah, we've got a Yaris passport apparently. Let's see what we find in here. Cambridge Toyota. Oh. A brief guide. Thunder Grey. I'd like to see a price if this is from when whoever bought it first. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, what's that then? To supply and fit water pump, £92. Is that December 18? Is that an 8? Is that trying to be an 8? Is it a 5? I think it's more an 8. Well, that's cool, I suppose. Nice to know. Safety, not interested. Accessories. Whoa, look at that monster. Oh, it's a fold out. Look at that. Whoa, look at this. Beasts. Absolute beasts on beasts. Nice. So I'll guarantee. That's shit. Well, I mean, the MOT and the water pump information was nice to find out, really, but that's about it from the passport. Pop all that back in there. So that's going to be it for this one. I just wanted to give interior a good clean because it was pretty atrocious driving around in it. See, I think the next mission would probably be to get it up to Tony's, get it on the ramp, and have a good look underneath and see what he thinks of it. I'm curious to see what he thinks of it. End of the day, it is a Yaris. But it is a T Sport though, so... Right, if you have enjoyed, make sure you press subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you at the next one. Sound.